Word of the day, keep, means to hold, stay, continue, save, maintain or not give away something. मतलब रखना, महफूज रखना, बरकरार रखना, जारी रखना, ख्याल रखना. Uses of the word keep with examples. With practice sentences.
English Booster by Kashwani. One word a day. Say it the better way. Subscribe for your daily dose.
To have or hold something. किसी चीज़ को रखना. Example, please keep this book with you. बराए मेहरबानी ये किताब अपने पास रखो. To continue doing something. जारी रखना. Example, keep studying regularly. बाकायदगी से पढ़ते रहो. To stay in a condition or state. किसी हालत में रहना. Keep calm. पुरसुकून रहो. To save or store something. महफूज रखना. Example, keep your money safe. अपने पैसे महफूज रखो. Care of someone or something. ख्याल रखना. Example, she keeps her children well. वो अपने बच्चों का अच्छी तरह ख्याल रखती है. To not tell or share. राज रखना. Example, please keep this secret. बराए मेहरबानी ये राज रखो. To prevent from going somewhere. रोकना, दूर रखना. Example, keep the door closed. दरवाज़ा बंद रखो. Let's practice these sentences to save in your active memory. Learn and repeat. Please keep your room clean. बराए मेहरबानी अपना कमरा साफ रखो. I keep my books in the bag. मैं अपनी किताबें बैग में रखती हूँ. She keeps working hard. वो मेहनत करती रहती है. Keep quiet in the library. लाइब्रेरी में खामोश रहो. He kept his promises. उसने अपना वादा निभाया. Please keep your phone silent. बराए मेहरबानी अपना फ़ोन खामोश रखें. I keep a diary every day. मैं रोज़ डायरी रखती हूँ. She keeps her money safe. वो अपने पैसे महफूज रखती है. Keep going. You are doing well. जारी रखो, तुम अच्छा कर रहे हो. He kept the door open. उसने दरवाज़ा खुला रखा. Please keep this information private. बराए मेहरबानी ये मालूमात निजी रखो. Parents should keep their children safe. वालिदैन को अपने बच्चों को महफूज रखना चाहिए. She keeps smiling all the time. वो हर वक्त मुस्कुराती रहती है. Keep away from bad habits. बुरी आदतों से दूर रहो. I keep learning new things every day. मैं रोज़ नई चीज़ें सीखती हूँ. It's time to homework now. Make any 2 sentences with word and share in comment section to make collection of beautiful sentences for practice and use it in your daily life from today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.